Traffic is moving steadily along the Merritt Parkway when everything suddenly spirals out of control. Within seconds, multiple vehicles are caught in a violent chain of events. Metal collides, debris scatters, and drivers scramble to react. What begins as a high-speed pursuit ends in a destructive collision and a shocking revelation about who was driving. Behind the wheel is 80-year-old former WWE executive Vince McMahon. Yes, you heard that right. Newly released footage shows McMahon's Bentley Continental GT swerving aggressively through traffic at speeds reportedly exceeding 100 miles per hour. Connecticut State Police attempt to initiate a stop, but the vehicle continues accelerating, reaching approximately 115 miles per hour. Moments later, the Bentley slams into a BMW before veering into a highway guardrail. The impact sends pieces of metal and debris across the roadway, bringing traffic to a sudden halt.
Stay in the car. Do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't.
All right. Why were you driving over 100 miles an hour?
It's my granddaughter's birthday. I got to get this the next exit.
Right. Did you see me trying to catch up to you behind you?
I didn't see that. I saw lights, but it didn't look normal.
All right. Yeah, I'm trying to catch up to you, and you keep taking off.
Oh, no, I'm not taking. I'm not trying to outrun you.
I know, I understand that, but that's why I was very confused. Right? Because it wasn't like you were running; it was just like you almost hit, I think, 115 miles an hour. All right, and then you just hit someone because you weren't paying attention. Were you looking at your phone?
No, I'm trying to drive. No, I'm not looking at my phone.
The person was right in front of you. There's got to be a reason you hit him.
No, I haven't been driving my car, and God knows how long.
Right. It was right in front of you. You went straight at it at 100 miles an hour.
When troopers approach the wrecked vehicle, McMahon appears dazed and disoriented. A state trooper informs him that he had been clocked traveling around 115 miles per hour before the crash.
I'm just making sure you're not having a medical condition or anything.
I don't think
Do you need an ambulance?
No, fuck, I don't think so.
All right. Just your registration. Is your license in here?
No, it's in my pocket.
All right.
I've driven this car quite some time.
It's fast, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, too fast. Okay, sir.
Thank you. All right, let's
leave everything as
let's get him to your car.
Okay.
We'll wait for the information. Once we give you the information, you guys can take off.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Thank you very much.
So you can hop out. You're going to go back to his car. What was that?
Someone hurt.
No one's hurt. No one's hurt.
Can I pull right over here so he doesn't...
Yeah. That's fine. He's going to bring it a little closer to you, sir. No, yeah, luckily no one's hurt. Yeah, he's going to bring the car a little closer.
Okay, all right.
And you don't need an ambulance or anything? You're not hurt? All right. Maybe tomorrow you'll be a little sore.
Yeah,
but where's your granddaughter live?
Yeah, but she lives in Weston.
Weston?
Yeah, next exit up. Then you go the back way, and she's only 10 minutes from here.
Oh, yeah. All right, I can get you. You can go to his car now. You need anything else from inside?
I'm good.
You're good? Need a hand?
I'm good.
You good?
Well, no one's hurt. That's the biggest. Yes.
Hey, Pete. No, they're not. Yeah, he said he was taking both, so they won't. They're gonna wait in the assistance car over here. All right. Yeah.
Don't have anything in here.
Oh yeah, it is. Yep. Yeah, it definitely is.
Thank you for your help, officer.
Oh yeah, of course.
Sorry, it just happened.
Yeah, it happens. No? Like we said, no one's hurt, so.
That's most important, right?
Yep, no problem. And just stay put, yeah. He'll bring all the paperwork and everything, all right?
Thank you.
And you don't need anything from that car, right?
No,
All right.
Mr. McMahon, how you doing? Hi. I'm the investigating trooper. Okay. So, how you doing? I know you are. So.
Can you send out like Greenwich unit?
So Trooper Robbins that was following in the unmarked vehicle said you were doing over 100 miles an hour. All right, before you struck the vehicle. So.
Talking to the officer. Talking to him.
All right, so I'm going to be issuing you a misdemeanor summons for reckless driving, okay? So it's just going to take me about 10 minutes to write it up. I'll give you a court date, probably within 3 weeks or a month. Do you reside in Connecticut? I'm not sure. Okay, so it'll be, Westport? Yeah. All right, so it'll be the court right here. I'll give you...
Vince McMahon appeared in court, where a judge granted him probation.
Understands the seriousness of the case, understands he qualifies for the program, and assures the court this won't happen again. Not every car accident is a crime. The judge recognized that there's a path here for dismissal, and that's what happened here. This was an accident.
No one is injured in the crash, but McMahon is charged with reckless driving. Under the terms of the agreement, the case will be dismissed in 1 year, provided he stays out of further legal trouble.